Hello, today I'm going to make handle for kitchen knife. I have this blade for kitchen knife. It bends. It's made from 440B steel. I also have a piece of kerinite and rod for pins, 2 hands as well. I need to cut this piece in two. For this purpose I am going to use vise and hacksaw. It's good that cutting plastic is not like cutting metal. Now I need to make the surface smooth. I use grinder and sandpaper for it. I outline the parts of the handle. This should help. I grip one part in the vise and drill holes. Keep attention because plastic may crack while drilling. Excess surface should end up inside. I countersink. It's time to make pins from the rod. I have already shown how to make and install them in one of my previous videos. Follow the link in the description. Be careful not to pin your fingers. Now we have a few mushrooms. Cut out the excess material. Set the pins. Keep attention because we don't want cracks. Success! Now I grind the handle. I choose grinder, but you can also use a buster file. Now I take a fine file. Try not to touch metal. Use sandpaper with different grit sizes. Now I polish the handle using the felt belt. After polishing you can see some defects. Repeat sanding and polishing if needed. I sharpened the knife and now it cuts traffic tickets like butter. I'm fully satisfied. So it guys, I did it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment. Bye.